Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to create constructors in C++. So constructors in C++ is a special kind of code that is automatically invoked as soon as the object of class is created. So it is used to initialize the data members of new objects generally. So every time the constructor in C++ has exactly same name as a class or structure, and it is called constructor because it constructs the value, that is means it provides data for the objects. That is why it is called constructors.
So first, we will open
So
Visual Studio Code
let's start with hash include
and then we will start the program.
iostream using namespace std. Then we will do class definition. Here we will create some class for um, students. Okay, and inside this class we'll write some data members. For example, integer, their student ID, or just we will type ID, SID, student ID. And then we will write down their name, and which is of 15 size. And then we will make one more variable for fee. Then we will access specify public. Here we will define constructor inside the same class for which we are creating it. So as I said, the constructor always have same name as a class. So students is the name of the class. So constructor will also have same name. And then let's start typing what we want to write inside this. So C out. Okay, and then enter student ID. Okay, and then slash n will do, and then some. Then we will do C in, and then we will do SID. Now we will copy paste this 2 times and we'll change the things we are looking for. So here name, student name, let's better put the student word here, student name, and the fees. And then here change the variable here as a name, and then here as a. Okay, now this is what we want inside the constructor. So constructor has the same name as a class, and inside this constructor we are asking user to input student ID, student name, and student fees, and storing these values in SID, name, and fees respectively. Now what we have to do is we have to uh, create a function to display this data, defined via constructor. So what we have to do is void and then display, and then cout, and sorry, SID, then slash n will do, then name, then again slash n for new line, and then the fees, and then we will end this. Okay, and then at this we have to put semicolon because we are ending the class. Now we will start writing the main function. In this we are creating one object. So first we'll put the curly brackets, and then the name of the class is students. Okay, and then s1 is a object semicolon. And now here we have to do constructor gets Here the constructor will get called automatically because we have created object s1, so automatically the constructor will get called here. Okay, now we don't have to do anything, just put s dot display, and then what will happen, we will write down some statement here. Constructor is called automatically as soon as s1 object of student class created. Okay, and now, and then we will put return here 0 s1, we have to type s1 here. Okay, now you see there is no error anywhere. So here is the error because I forgot to type insertion operator twice. So now it's correct, I hope. Okay, now let's, what we'll do, we have to save this file. So because this black dot means it's not saved, control S to save, then go to terminal, build task. Okay, and then we'll get this one to create exe file, click on that, and then build finish successfully message came. Close this, then go back to terminal, click on new terminal, and all you have to do is dot slash constr1, that's the name of our file and the exe file. So all you have to do is press enter here, enter student id 567, enter student name abc, fees, okay, 4500. So the output is here. So what happened here, that automatically when we created this object s1, automatically this constructor is called.
So thanks for
Okay,
watching
and then
my video,
only by
and keep
putting the
watching and you'll learn more.
object
Thank you.
name
Take care.
dot
Bye
the
for now.
function, we are inviting whole constructor to work here and display the data, this id, name, and etc. and fees. So that's how it is, very easy. And if you try practicing 2-3 times, you'll be able to do it faster.